Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up the scheduled cleaning, and there we have the XIAOMI X20 Pro. In the first step we need to open the application, then click on the three-dot icon and go to the scheduled cleanup. Then tap on the plus and select the cleanup start time. If you want to add the cleanup mode, you can click here and, for example, set only the vacuuming with the silent, for example, and the quick path. This is a quick cleaning. Then you can also set up the repeat iteration, and we can set the once daily, Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday, or the custom. If you want to activate the custom, you can select the any day as you wish, then tap on the confirm and click on the accept button. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.